morning. I'm First Alert Meteorologist Meredith Garfalo with your rain totals as of 10 a.m. Take a look again. San Marcos Pass over 5 inches, over 3 inches in Refugio Pass. Montecito Hills over 2 inches. Almost everyone getting between 1 to 3 inches was what your First Alert Storm team has been tracking the whole time. Now let's take a look at on the north coast. We're seeing over 3 inches in the Kachuma Dam, which is great for us. Lompoc and Vandenberg over 2 inches. Buellton as well. Here are your rain totals. Some of the top ones in Slow County from Napomo to Oceano, Pismo Beach almost at 2 inches, and in Ventura County, Oxnard, one of our leaders at almost 2.5, otherwise 2 inches from Simi Valley, the Channel Islands to the Camarillo Airport. The live storm tracker is going and not much on the radar, completely different from what we saw earlier today. In fact, it's mostly clear now in Carpinteria, although we are seeing a few showers as you head along the 192, so just a heads up, you may see some slick conditions there. We're also seeing rain near Lake Kachuma, so hoping to add to that title, and parts of the San Ynez Valley. And if we head up to our north, our live storm tracker is picking up on some light rain just to the south of Cambria. Again, what we're going to see for the rest of the day is going to be very scattered, but we do still have a few advisories in place. A flash flood watch continues for Ventura County, including Oxnard. That is for the recent burn areas especially, so that's something to keep in mind. That goes through later tonight. We also still have those high surf advisories in place. The first one is for the west-facing beaches in Ventura County and Santa Barbara South Coast. Even bigger waves expected to continue today for the Central Coast, but as we get into Saturday, you'll notice those waves will drop back down a little bit closer to normal, but still be high. So good news for surfers. Futurecast showing scattered showers as we get into the day. 3 o'clock, you can see maybe you're heading home from work or picking the kids up from school. You may run into some showers, but for the most part, they're really going to be hit or miss as we get into the evening. Around the 5:30, 5 o'clock hour, we are going to see maybe some rain on San Marcos Pass. That moves through, and by 10 o'clock, most areas either seeing clear skies or partly sunny skies. We're also going to see a little bit of rain to the south of Santa Maria near Los Alamos about 10 o'clock. 11:30, that rain moves into the Buellton area, possibly in Solvang and Los Olivos. And then as we get into the overnight hours, we get, again, not much on the radar, a completely different story from what we saw yesterday. So that's good news. We're going to get a little bit of a break as you officially start your weekend, or maybe you're heading to those Christmas parties. What you can expect, though, for today, again, there's still that flash flooding threat. The roads are going to be slick due to this rain, and we could still see some flooding on those low-lying areas. The debris flow and burn areas is still possible, and what we're looking at to pick up today, most places going to get a ½ an inch or less. We could get up to 3/4 of an inch in the mountains if we get any thunderstorms there. But the next 7 days are actually looking absolutely wonderful. If you have plans this weekend, good news for you. It's going to be drying out. We're going to see those temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. Same thing Santa Maria. Everyone getting a break from the rain the next couple of days, but check it out on Monday. I'm tracking another storm system that's actually looking like we could get rain over a 3-day period. So this is December. Hard to believe we've been waiting all year for rain, and now as we close out this year and the month, it's actually looking like we're going to see our third storm coming up and hoping to add even more totals. We'll be back with more news, weather, and much more after the break. Stay with us.